What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's Alexis Marchand here from the Four Pillar Journey. And the other day, I was doing a little bit of research on multiple successful people from different backgrounds, different religions, whatever, right? And I was trying to find any similarities or any patterns that they all had in common. And I found the one thing that they all share in common, and that is they have a system in place, aka they pay attention to the small details. They have their life very organized. They do not waste time and they have a purpose with every single action that they do. And that's very important to understand because, like, I just made a video, right, on one of the sacrifices of becoming successful, and that is your time. Your time will not be as available as you would like for everybody that you love or all the relationships that you have. And all of these successful people follow that same pattern. They are not accessible as the regular person. Why? Because they have a system in place that is helping them get to where they want to be. Now, you might be asking yourself, well, how do I start my own system? How do I put a system in my life in place so I can become successful? And one of the best things you can do is to spread goals on a yearly basis. That's the first thing you want to do. Write down 3 goals that you want to achieve by the end of the year, whether it be financial, physically, relationships wise, whatever they may be. In one year, what do you want to have? So, for example, by the end, when in one year, I want to increase my muscle percentage, or I want to increase muscle by 5 pounds and lose 2% body fat. Specifics. Next goal, I want to make $10,000 a month by July of next year. Specific. Relationship wise, I want to go to at least 5 events where I can meet like minded people when it comes to business. So for me, copywriting. Specifics, right? Those are my 3 goals for the end of the year. Excuse me, for next year this time. Now, you have to break down those yearly goals into monthly segments. So, for the month of July, what can I do to reach my goal by July next year? I can hit the gym 3 times a week and, write down the specifics. What am I going to hit each day? I want to make $10,000 a month by July of next year. What do I have to do? This month, I want to make $1,000 a month on freelancing, copywriting, and getting new clients. Relationships. What can I do for this month? Oh, there's a seminar coming up in 2 weeks at blah, blah, blah. I can go there. You have to break down that yearly goal into monthly goals. Now, if you really want to be successful and if you really want to accelerate your chances of becoming successful, you break it down even further. A daily goal. What can I do today that's going to help me reach my monthly and my yearly goals? That is the way you will become successful. I can guarantee it. The past few months, I have been dialed in on my goals, and it's one of the best feelings that I can't even explain. It's almost like enlightening. You feel so amazing, so empowered because everything you're writing down is getting done. And slowly but surely you start to see the results of your work, and that motivates you to keep going. And over time it will become a habit. And that is how you build discipline and consistency. And as we all know, those are the main traits of the successful people. They're disciplined and they're consistent. If you're able to do that, I can guarantee you within a year, you will be 10 times farther than if you just try to wing it with no goals in mind. Specific goals to be specific, right? So pay attention to how you're using your time. Like I said, time is your most invaluable asset. If you only had 5 years to live, how would you make the most out of that? You have to put yourself in a mental position to start off with straight motivation. What drives you to want to be successful? Do you want the nice house? Do you want the freedom to be able to travel anywhere you want? Do you want to make sure your family is financially secure for life? Do you want to help your community? Whatever it may be, use that to drive you to start your daily goals. Write down the goals, and every time you feel like giving up, remember why you're doing it. You have to have that big picture goal, as I talk about in some of my videos, and use that as the driving energy to push you forward, because otherwise you will be stuck in the mud and you will be spinning your wheels going nowhere. And I want every single one of you to be successful. You don't have to be making 10 million a month, but if you make enough money to be financially free from working a job, or if it gives you the opportunities to help your family and have better things in life, then so be it. Do that. But whatever it is, I do not want you to be living in poverty, especially in today's age where everything is getting more expensive, but your wage is staying the same. Do not be stuck to that wage, and find liberty. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you did enjoy this video. And if you did, as always, please remember to give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and share this with somebody so more people can see this and become better versions of themselves as well. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.